Alright guys, so I haven't posted a video for a while, and there's a reason for that. I took the Cobra in to get the 14 gears installed, and then ended up having a ton of other rear end issues, like the whole housing was bent. So I had to get a whole new rear end, like differential axles, a new housing, bearings, seals, gears, everything. So I got the car back 2 weeks after that, and the weather's just been real hot, and the days that there is a test and tune, it's either rained or I wasn't able to make it. Today I was finally able to make it. It was good weather, you know, mid-50s, and they canceled it because it was too cold. So kind of sucks. There's only I think there's only 2 test and tunes left, and then one next week and then one in November on like a Saturday. So hopefully next week's weather cooperates and I can get to the track and get some numbers for an after with these gears. I'm hoping for mid-13s, but we'll see. So today I thought I'd take the car out for a ride. I got the GoPro mounted up. I thought I'd do a couple pulls on a back road somewhere. So yeah, that's what we'll do in this video.